it's alright, because they got the point. Number 8. Number 8 is great. Who do we got today? We got Lang. Lang with a bang. Vicious gaming. He shoots, he misses, but it's alright, because he's holding off the point. Waiting for the Uber. The Uber is super, because now he's just shooting a soldier, and the soldier now dies. Now he's up above below, and he's coming down. He kills the demo. Oh my god, now he's killing the medic. I said it, forget it. Now we did the soldier, because he's a motherfucking bulldozer. Number 7.